HTZ stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the very end. I want to mention one thing, and that is that this was like such a crazy performance lately. I mean, yes, just today we've gone up 44%. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space and documented all that on my YouTube channel. Generally looking at HTZ, all I'm looking to do is obviously take things higher, meaning I'm looking to buy, but that does not mean that I'm going to come out here and just randomly start swinging and buying everything and anything. Obviously today is holiday, so the market is closed, therefore that's why there's like not much traction about it, but generally speaking, my bias is still quite literally the same. The only thing that will propel me to take things higher, further higher, is going to be the price pulling down and then giving me some sort of shift. If that does not happen, then obviously I'm not gonna buy. Well, I've also made some previous receipts with HTZ in the Discord, and all I can say is that all that is documented on my YouTube channel. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.